How to install Vidmate in mobile? Did you mean how to install Vidmate in mobile? Download Vidmate APK for Android devices free. How to install Vidmate app? Click on the above download button. Once you click on the button, your download process will be started. Vidmate app. Vidmate APK latest free download 2021. You are downloading APK file directly from our site. You can directly download to your Android and install it or download it on your PC and Vidmate download Vidmate app free install for Android 2021. Got slow internet? No problem. The integrated downloader allows you to download app and game at high speed, giving you a whole new experience. Vidmate app and APK download official site. Download Vidmate app APK latest version 2020 in official website. Vidmate app is the best video downloader for YouTube, Facebook and all other movies. Download Vidmate app. How to install? Click OK on Chrome, then click the download complete. Notification after download. There may be warnings while you downloading a APK file. People also search for Vidmate, Vidmate download 2021, Vidmate app, Vidmate 2014, Vidmate 2020 new version, Vidmate app download install new version. Download Vidmate APK for Android, free latest 2020 first version. To install the app, follow the instructions down below. How to download and install Vidmate. Click on the button above to download Vidmate APK. Vidmate free download. Your initial installation should take no more than a few minutes to complete. Copy and paste the link into the app whenever you want to get a new video. How to download videos from YouTube using Vidmate app. You can even download a video in another file format. Example, you can first of all install Vidmate mobile application from any open. Install now video downloader, video saver, HD video downloader. Get the answer that you are looking for added to the web. Your question will be shared with online publishers who may be able to answer. When shared, it won't be associated with your Google account. Related searches. Vidmate 2017, Vidmate 2011, Vidmate 2018, Vidmate 4G, Vidmate 16, Vidmate APK download install, Vidmate app download install old version, Vidmate APK. You can even download a video in an other file format. Example, you can first of all install Vidmate mobile application from any open. Install now video downloader, video saver, HD video downloader. One of the best features of all video downloader app is download video from social media. Get the answer that you are looking for added to the web. Your question will be shared with online publisher who may